Hey there, drivers. Welcome to the CarTech Lab Amazon channel. In today's video, we'll be showcasing some of the best car products you can find on Amazon. Be sure to check the description below for all the product links. Enjoy the video. This cordless car buffer polisher offers hassle-free detailing with its 21-volt lithium-ion batteries, providing extended runtime for both home and professional use. Designed for versatility, it features 6 interchangeable pads and attachments to handle waxing, polishing, and light paint correction. The variable speed control allows adjustments for different surfaces, ensuring precision without swirl marks. Lightweight and ergonomic, it reduces fatigue during long sessions. Ideal for car enthusiasts and detailers, it combines portability with power for a flawless finish. Includes batteries, charger, and accessories for immediate use. The Super One 180-watt 2-socket cigarette lighter splitter is a versatile car accessory designed to power multiple devices simultaneously. It features 2 12-volt sockets and dual USB ports, allowing you to charge dash cams, phones, radar detectors, or other gadgets with ease. The built-in push-button controls let you toggle power to each socket independently, ensuring energy efficiency and convenience. Its compact design fits neatly in most car consoles, while the clear voltage display keeps you informed about your vehicle's power status. Keep your car windows spotless with the Windshield cleaning tool. Featuring an extendable handle, this reusable tool effortlessly reaches high or awkward spots on windshields, sunroofs, and mirrors. The durable design includes a scratch-resistant head and a washable microfiber pad for streak-free cleaning. Perfect for both indoor and outdoor use, its lightweight build ensures easy storage and portability. This versatile charger is perfect for maintaining and reviving 12-volt, 24-volt lead-acid batteries in cars, trucks, motorcycles, boats, and more. With a 10-amp quick charge and 7-stage smart charging, it works faster than standard chargers and includes a pulse repair feature to combat battery sulfation, extending battery life. The large LCD screen clearly displays charging status, voltage, and temperature, while automatic temperature compensation ensures safe operation in hot or cold climates. Its plug-and-play design makes it easy to use, and safety features like overcharge protection and fireproof materials add peace of mind. Protect and enhance your car's interior with this universal microfiber leather armrest cover. Designed for comfort, it features thick memory foam padding to relieve driving fatigue and a soft, skin-friendly surface that resists scratches and wear. The upgraded side storage pockets offer convenient space for phones, keys, or small essentials. Its elastic band and anti-slip dots ensure a secure, non-damaging fit on most vehicles. Available in 5 stylish colors, this cover blends practicality with aesthetics. The Red Tiger F7 screen parking monitor is a reliable dash cam designed for your car. It captures clear 4K video in the front and HD video at the rear, ensuring that every detail is recorded. The 3.18-inch screen makes it easy to view your footage on the spot. With built-in Wi-Fi and GPS, you can quickly share your videos and track your routes. Parking monitor mode works 24/7 when used with the hardwire kit, locking important clips during accidents. Easy to install and use, this dash cam is a perfect tool for safety and peace of mind. The Faraday key fob protector is designed to block RFID signals, preventing car thieves from hacking your key fob. Made with double-layer shielding, it effectively stops remote access and prevents relay attacks, keeping your vehicle safe. The pouch is compact, durable, and easy to carry, fitting most key fobs while providing full signal blocking. Simply place your key inside, close the pouch, and enjoy peace of mind knowing your car is protected. Ideal for home use or travel, this anti-theft solution ensures secure key storage anytime, anywhere. This innovative adapter transforms your wired CarPlay into a seamless wireless experience, eliminating the hassle of cables while keeping your iPhone connected to your car's display. It ensures fast pairing and stable connections via Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, allowing you to access maps, music, calls, and Siri effortlessly. Compatible with most vehicles from 2015 onward and iOS 10 Plus, it supports multi-user switching and auto-reconnects upon entry, enhancing convenience for daily drives or road trips. Compact and easy to install, it delivers crisp audio and minimal latency, perfect for a smarter, safer drive. This essential toolkit simplifies timing chain repairs for 3.6-liter engines in vehicles like Jeep Grand Cherokee, Wrangler, Dodge, and Chrysler models. It includes a camshaft tensioner locking pin, 3 timing chain holders, 2 phaser locks, gloves, and a portable case for easy storage. Made from durable nylon plastic, the tools securely hold components in place during adjustments, ensuring precise alignment. a cost-effective solution for DIYers or mechanics tackling camshaft or timing chain projects. Upgrade your car interior with these Zacalac LED dome light bulbs. This pack of 6 bulbs is designed for easy installation in dome, map, or door lights, giving your vehicle a bright and modern look. With a diameter of 1.22 inches and an output of 400 lumens, they deliver clear, energy-efficient light for a safer, more comfortable ride. The upgraded design offers long-lasting performance and a consistent glow, making them a perfect replacement for old or dim bulbs. Enjoy an enhanced driving experience with improved interior visibility using these extremely bright and reliable LED lights. This compact, high-performance jump starter delivers 3,000 amp peak power to revive vehicles up to 9.0-liter gas or 7.0-liter diesel engines quickly. Lightweight and portable, it doubles as a power bank with dual USB ports, 5 volts 2 amps to charge phones or devices. The built-in 400-lumen LED light offers 3 modes, flash, strobe, SOS for emergencies. Designed with 10 safety protections, including spark-proof and reverse polarity safeguards, it ensures reliable use. Ideal for cars, trucks, boats, or RVs, it includes jumper cables, a Type-C charger, and a carrying case. Backed by a 24-month warranty, it's a must-have for roadside emergencies. Elevate your wiring projects with our waterproof 2-pin connector kit. This kit includes a matching set of male and female connectors designed for 16 AWG wires. Perfect for cars, trucks, boats, and other outdoor applications, it delivers a stable electrical connection in any condition. Its robust design resists water, dust, and vibration, ensuring long-lasting performance even in harsh environments. With an easy, straightforward installation, this connector kit is a practical and reliable choice for everyday electrical work. Keep your vehicle's undercarriage spotless without the hassle of crawling underneath. This 16-inch cleaner attaches to any pressure washer, 1,500 to 4,000 psi, and efficiently removes road grime, salt, and oil from cars, trucks, SUVs, or trailers. The kit includes a foam cannon, extension wands, and multiple nozzles for versatile cleaning. It is ideal for car owners looking for a simple and effective cleaning tool that ensures a thorough wash while protecting delicate undercarriage components. This Skull Decor car air freshener vent clip adds a bold Gothic vibe to your vehicle's interior. Designed with a striking skull motif, it doubles as a stylish accessory and a functional air freshener, ideal for Halloween, themed events, or year-round edgy decor. Simply clip it onto your car's air vent to release a subtle, pleasant fragrance while showcasing its unique aesthetic. Made for easy installation, it fits most standard vents and combines durable materials with lightweight construction. Perfect for truck or car owners seeking to personalize their space with a touch of dark elegance. This versatile 10-piece valve spring compressor set is designed for motorcycle and automotive repairs, making valve spring removal and installation hassle-free. Built with durable materials, it ensures reliable performance for both DIY enthusiasts and professional mechanics. The compact, user-friendly design allows easy access to tight engine spaces, while the adjustable components cater to various valve sizes and configurations. Included accessories provide flexibility for different repair scenarios, ensuring efficiency and precision. This soft seatbelt cover is designed for a more comfortable driving experience. Made from gentle and durable material, it easily attaches to any seatbelt using a secure Velcro strap, providing extra cushion and reducing irritation from harsh contact. This 2-piece set fits all types of cars and can even be used on backpacks or other straps. Easy to install without tools, it helps minimize neck and shoulder discomfort during long drives. Upgrade your ride with this affordable, versatile accessory for a smoother and safer journey. This 4-piece heavy-duty audio wire reducer from Todist is made for car stereo systems. It easily changes 0-gauge wires to 4-gauge, ideal for amplifier input, power, and ground connections. Crafted with quality materials and a nickel-plated brass finish, it offers strong conductivity, long-lasting durability, and rust resistance. Its compact design fits well in tight spaces and provides a secure connection. Upgrade your car audio setup with this cost-effective solution for a cleaner, more organized installation. The Time-It Pressure Monitoring System 12-3 is a practical tool designed to help keep your tires in check. It automatically charges with solar power and USB, ensuring that your tire data is always up to date. This system features 5 alarms to alert you if tire pressure, temperature, or battery levels fall outside your set range, giving you peace of mind while driving. Its clear display and simple setup make it a great choice for cars, RVs, and trailers. Enjoy improved safety and ease of use with this reliable tire pressure monitoring system. The Youngfly Mini Car Dashboard Clock is a compact battery-operated digital clock designed for easy installation on car or truck dashboards. Featuring a self-adhesive bracket, it sticks securely to most surfaces without tools. Its jumbo LED display ensures clear visibility of time, even in bright conditions, and the simple interface makes it user-friendly. Ideal for vehicles lacking built-in clocks, this lightweight accessory adds convenience with minimal setup. This versatile rocker switch set is designed for both household appliances and automotive marine use. Featuring a simple on-off design, each 20mm switch is compact and easy to install with snap-in mounting. Rated for 12 volts, DC/20 amps, or 125 volts, AC/10 amps, it's durable for applications like car dashboards, boats, or small electronics. The package includes 5 switches and pre-wired connectors for hassle-free setup. Waterproof and built with a latching mechanism, it ensures reliable performance in various environments. You've just seen a small selection of amazing car products, and there are plenty more exciting releases coming your way. Be sure to subscribe to the channel so you won't miss any new episodes. See you next time.